This is a once-a-year process that many people struggle through, then forget about it. In some cases, they don't even think about what it's costing them, they just want to get it done. It's time-consuming, a resource drain, and it's complex without the right tools. And most of the time, they'll have multiple vendors to manage. InSource offers an end-to-end solution that consists of 3 components. First, subject matter expertise. We have been delivering print and electronic tax solutions for almost 20 years. No one knows more about this than us. Second, technology. We are data experts. We scrub and clean and manage databases for our clients. Equally important is our expertise around electronic adoption of tax forms. We are great at that. And finally, our entire process is fully secured and fully compliant and relieves our clients of a huge burden while saving them money.